Breakfast is the act of breaking the overnight fasting period, as we don't consume any food for nearly 12 hours since previous night. Whether breakfast is the most important meal of the day or not, it is still important to know what to eat and what to avoid. After a good night's sleep, your body needs energy and nutrition to start the day. Hence, a meal with good source of protein, complex carb, vitamins and minerals is very important. So let us look at some of the popular breakfast food which is not giving us any important nutrition. Cereals and muesli. Those packs of cereals and muesli that you get from store, they are labeled as high in fiber and low in sugar. They are being advertised as healthy breakfast option. They are also convenient to eat. You just need to add some milk and it is ready to eat on busy morning. Hence, they are becoming staple breakfast food worldwide for both adults and kids. But the truth is they packed with lots of sugar and are very low in protein or fiber. The best alternative will be rolled or steel-cut oats. Yes, they do take some extra time to be prepared, but they are good source of fiber and keep you full for longer. If you don't have time to cook the oats in the morning, try some overnight oats. In a glass jar, add some milk, nuts, and fresh fruits together with 1 cup of dry oats. You can also add some chia seeds to additional fiber. Close the lid and put them in fridge overnight. In morning, all you need to do is grab the jar and enjoy the meal. You can even eat them on the go if you are rushing out. Next is pancakes and waffles. Our childhood favorites. Yes, they do have eggs. But the white flour and sugar contents are higher than egg ratio. Furthermore, most of us add in lots of syrup or honey. They might be filling for the breakfast but not for long. You will feel hungry soon once the sugar has been digested by our body. Instead, go for banana pancake. Just some mashed banana and eggs. You do not need additional sweetener. You can add some chocolate chip if you want to make it fancier for the kids. With the banana and eggs, you get full set of protein, carbs, and vitamins. Bread toast. A simple and easy breakfast for many. Some sliced bread and few teaspoons of butter. This food is filling and tastes delicious. Trust me, I do love them. But that bread toast alone is not enough for breakfast. They are just carbs mostly. Furthermore, store-bought breads are not healthy in long run. They have refined palm oils, full of artificial flavors and preservatives. The best solution is to make your own bread at home with just 4 ingredients. But not everyone has the time or equipment. So, if possible, try to get breads from local trusted bakers who are using quality ingredients and less preservatives. Also, pair your butter toast with egg and some fruits for complete breakfast meal. Fruit juice or smoothies. Yes, fruits are healthy and important for breakfast. But fruits juice is not an effective way to start the day. Remember, you need fiber in the morning. Fruits such as avocado, banana, kiwi, berries, and apple are excellent source for fiber. But blending and drinking just the juice means you are only taking in the vitamins, minerals, and mostly sugar from the fruit. The fiber is blended and removed in some cases, like orange and apple juice. Eating an apple is not the same as drinking a cup of apple juice. If cutting and eating fruits is too time-consuming for you, aim for some easy fruits like banana, blueberries, or mandarin orange. If you like smoothies, try making them at home and limit the consumption to few days a week. They should not be your only breakfast meal of the day for every single day. Now, why is it important to have a healthy breakfast? First, a good healthy breakfast will help to control your weight. As your body gets enough protein and complex carbs from breakfast, it takes longer for you to feel hungry. Your blood glucose level is stable and will not fluctuate largely. Hence, for your next meal, you will not rush to eat something like fast food or instant food due to being hungry by lunchtime. Secondly, a good breakfast also boosts your brain power. The brain needs energy, which is converted from glucose. That's the reason you feel sluggish and struggle to focus in early morning. Hence, school-going kids and working adults should prioritize a good complete breakfast. So, what is your favorite breakfast food that keep you full and happy? Mine is scrambled egg with fruits and black coffee. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Good food, good life. Let's get healthy through food.